Hey guys, welcome back to Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
We are super excited to have you back to another Tigrinya Tuesday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also, hit the bell button. Every Tuesday, we are back. Anyways, we're going to get into the program. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, you guys, I'm so glad you could join us, and we're really excited to have you back again. So today, I'm going to teach Robil some phrases and words in Tigrinya, the difference between like male, female, and everyone else. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the difference from kum, ka, and ki, right?
Right.
So for everyone is kum, right?
Would you like me to repeat?
Yes, please.
Kum.
Ka,
Ka.
ki.
Ki. Kum, ka, ki.
All right, so up next, good morning.
Good morning.
Do you remember how to say good morning?
Kame haderki.
Oh, good job. That's to me. How do you say for everybody else?
Well, now that I've learned it, kame haderkum,
Yes. Oh, good job.
and kame haderka.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at,
I think I can do this.
oh my God. Good evening to everyone is keme amsihum.
Kame ansihum,
Amsihum.
amsihum.
Keme amsicha.
Kame amsiha,
Keme amsihi.
kame amsihi.
Yes. That's easy, right?
Kame amsihi. That word's hard though.
Really?
Amsihi.
Amsihi.
Yeah. Amsihi. Kame amsihi.
Just relax your throat. You're trying to do too much right now.
Okay. Kame amsihi. Kame amsihi. Relaxing. Kame amsihi.
No.
Kame
Listen.
amsihi.
Listen to the words that's coming out of my mouth. So next is how old are you?
Yep.
To everyone, kinde you admihum.
Okay. Kinde iu idmehum.
Yes. Kinde you admiha. To you.
Kinde iu idmeha.
Admiha. Kinde you admihi. For her or for
iu
me.
idmehi. Kinde iu idmehi.
Terina, kinde you admihi. She's too busy. She loves her bottle. Okay, so that's good.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? To everyone, keme allahum.
Kame alohum.
Keme allaha.
Kame aloha. Like in Hawaii.
No, not aloha. Aloha.
Kame aloha.
No, you're saying it like Hawaii. Stop. This is
Wait,
Tigrinya
can
lesson.
you repeat it or say it so I can hear it?
I'm saying it. Can you open your Tigrinya ear? Keme aloha.
Kame aleha.
Yes.
Kame aleha.
Good job. Keme alohi.
I think you said aloha the first time.
You want me to say that?
All right. Kame alehi.
Alohi. Yeah, like a
Kame
key.
alehi.
Yeah.
Alehi.
Alohi. Good job.
Kame alekum. Kame aleki.
Alohi.
Kame aleha.
Yes.
All right.
What's wrong with you?
You want me to really answer to that?
No. To everyone, intai konkum.
Intai koinkum.
Yes.
Intai koinkum.
Intai konka.
Intai koinka.
Intai
koinka.
konki.
Intai koinki. What's wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me. I'm all good. Okay. How do you feel? How do you feel to everyone? Keme yisma'akum.
Kame yisima'akum.
Keme yisma'aka.
Kame yisima'aka.
Keme yisma'aki.
Kame yisimi'aki. Kame yisimi'aki.
Yes, that's right. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, onion.
Are you okay? To everyone, dahan dihum,
Dehan, dihum,
dahan diha,
dehan, diha,
dahan dihi.
dehan, dihi.
Yes, good job.
That's easy.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you. He is, she is in Tigrinya.
You're gonna teach me how to say he is and she is?
Yes.
Tigrinya?
Yes.
All right, I'll do my best.
Nisukha
Nasucha,
is he is. Nisukhi, she is.
nasuchi, she is. Nasucha, he
Nasuch.
is. Nasuchi, she is.
All right, so I'm gonna teach you the difference in sentences. He is tall and he is short.
He is tall and he is short.
Yes, nisukha hatir,
Okay.
that's short. Like you are short.
Nesuha,
Hatir,
hatzir.
nisukha nawih.
Nesuha, nuwe.
Nawih. Nawih.
So he is short. He
He's
is tall.
tall.
Nesua, Nesua,
Nesuha
Nesuha,
hatir.
Nesuha, Hadzir. He is short. Netsuha,
Nawih.
Nuwe.
Nawih.
Nowi.
Uh-huh.
Netsuha, Nowi.
Good job.
He is tall.
Yes. She is short and she is tall. Nisukhi
Nesuhi,
nawah.
Nesuhi, Nowa.
Nisukhi hatar.
Nesuhi, Hatsa.
Hatar.
Nesuhi, Hatsa.
Hatar.
Hatsar.
Ara then. I know that's
Oh.
kind of hard.
Okay.
Right? Nisukhi
Nesuhi,
nawah.
Noah.
She is tall. Nisukhi
Nesuhi,
hatar. She is short.
Hatsa.
Good
She
job.
is short.
You rolled the R right.
Is that right?
That's perfect. Hey, you guys.
Hey, you guys.
Atum.
Jinx. Atom.
It's so short, right?
Atom. That means just like, hey, hey, you guys. Atom.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you for a girl is ati.
For a girl, to get a girl's attention, we go ati.
Yes.
So like if a
So
guy,
it all depends how you say it to a girl. So if you say it with an attitude, she might just slap you.
so if a guy is like driving in his car and he like sees a girl on the street, he can go like, hey, ati,
She might not speak to you.
ati. Alright.
So it all depends.
And then
Hey, you for a guy ata.
to a guy, you just
Ata.
say ata. Ata.
Ata Robin.
Ata Robil.
How do you say it to me though?
Ati.
And
Ati Semret.
there you go.
Ati Semretina.
Asti Martina. There you go. Good job.
Ati Shakorina.
Okay, silly. Okay, so up next.
Atum Ati Ata.
Perfect. That's kind of easy, I think.
It's very easy.
Yeah. All right, next is let's go. Atum nu'unai.
Okay, let's go. Atum Nu'anai. Atum Nu'anai.
Let's go for a girl is ati nu'unai.
To a girl.
To a girl, like female, yeah.
Ati Nu'anai.
Nu'unai.
Ati Nu'anai.
Yes.
Ati Nu'anai.
Yes. For male would be let's go. Ata na'anai.
Atai. Oh wait,
no.
sorry. Ata Nu'anai.
Na'anai for a guy.
Ata Na'anai.
Perfect, yeah. So next I'm going to teach you how to say I'm American.
For a girl and for a boy.
Yes, for both. Amerikawi iye would be for male.
For a male, okay. Amerikawi iye. Amerikawi iye.
Amerikawit iye.
Amerikawit iye.
Yes,
If you're a girl.
for a female.
Amerikawit iye.
Yes.
So Delina would say Amerikawit iye.
No, she's going to say Eritrean.
Ooh. No, she's gonna say both.
Okay, so Eritrean would be Ertrawit iye for a female.
Eritrawit iye.
Yes. Eritrawi iye.
And for
A male would Eritrawi.
Eritrawi. There's no
With
T.
a- yeah.
No T on the end.
No.
Eritrawi
Iye.
iye. I'm Eritrean.
Yes.
So That's pretty easy. Just the T or no
The
T.
T, yeah. So at the end, that's the difference. Eritreawit, Eritreawi,
All right.
right?
Yeah.
So waiter and waitress.
Waitress and waiter.
For a girl, asalafit is a waiter for a girl.
Waitress.
Waiter for a guy would be asalafi. Asalafit and asalafi.
Okay, waitress and waiter.
Yes.
Asalafit, asalafit.
Yes.
That's easy.
Oh yeah? Let's test you when we go to a restaurant. Take you to a restaurant and see. Next word is gonna be driver.
A driver.
Yes. For a girl, zawarit.
Zawarit.
For a guy, zawari.
Zawari. Zawarit. Zawari.
It's like,
So
that's
like
easy,
if we
right?
get an Uber, the driver is, if it's a female, it's Zawarit. And if it's a male, Zawari.
Yep.
What's our next word?
So next it's gonna be singer.
Singer.
So for a girl, darafit.
Derafit.
And for a guy is darafi.
Derafi.
Derafit.
Derafit. Derafi.
Yeah, so the T is the difference.
These are good. I'm learning these vocabulary words too. I didn't know these words.
So up next is gonna
By
be
the way,
yes.
please don't sing. Sometimes you try and sing. I mean, I guess it's fine.
Of course I'm gonna sing. I'm an amazing singer, by the way. Why are you such a hater?
Dancer.
Dancer. For a girl, sa'sa'it. That would be me.
Okay. Sa'asa'it. Say it again.
Sa'sa'it.
Sasa'it. Sasa'it.
Sa'sa'i
Sasa'i.
for male. That's a little hard.
Sasa'it. Sasa'it. That's a hard word.
Yeah, it's a little, but you said it right.
Okay.
Up next is runner.
Runner.
Goyait for female.
Goyait.
Goyayi for male.
Goyayi. Goyait. Goyayi.
So the T's.
Goyait. Goyayi.
Perfect. Nufo a bit. Wow, bravo. All right, you guys, we are all done, and thank you so much for hanging out. As always, we love you guys so much. And by the way, we'll read all the comments that you guys send us, so thank you for all the love and support, and we love you guys so much. We'll see you next Tuesday. Till then, take good care of you guys. Ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao.
Bye.
See you. Bye-bye. Bye, Liam. Bye. Bye. Kisses. Can you kiss? Bye. Good job. Almost half kiss.